Hi. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This module is known as the HW-770, and it is a Bluetooth audio board. At the top of the board, there is a micro USB port used for power and charging. At the top right, there are audio input terminals labeled R. GND and LR is the right audio channel. GND is ground, and L is the left audio channel. Overall, this board is designed to receive audio wirelessly through Bluetooth and send it to an audio circuit or sound system. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please support us by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.